Alright, this is an out of the moment video with no real reason, to show a friend how to remove or resolder a connector, like an M.2 connector. Here we go, let's work on this guy. This looks like an something. Okay, so I'm going to show how to remove this guy, the whole connector. Here we go. Put some gloves on, and then I'll resolder it back. Okay. So we're just going to bring it down here. Okay, microscope. Okay, so where's our connector, which is there. Okay, so we're going to use a large nozzle. Now, one important thing, many people make a mistake, they just plug it in. Not good. So what you want to do, right, see this tube? If you hold it the wrong way, it's just going to keep going in a certain direction. See that? So what you want to do, so this is the direction I'm going to work with. And I want this to sit naturally, so I'm just going to put it in the same position. I don't want to put it this way and then I'm just keep fighting with it. It's just going to keep going this way. Okay? It's a trick. There we go. This is the natural position. There we go. So we're just going to do this. Literally. So I don't even need microscope. There's going to be some fumes. Just like that. Just like that. I'll bring it closer. Okay, so we're going to do max. One thing I also advise is take a photo, close-up photo. So that if any components fall off, you can, with the photo, see where they go. See the heat? Okay, here we go. Of course, make sure nothing on the other side that can burst. Okay, here we go. Give it time. There we go. 1, 2. Circular. See, nothing melted. Now let's have a look. See, none of the pads are ripped. And look at the bottom of that. Look at that, so nice. Not even a single melt. To put it back on, there's various ways. Quickest way. Now you do want to clean this out and just put new solder on top. So very quickly. There we go. So just put some solder again on top. There we go. Just like that. Using a large soldering tip. You know, we don't even need to clean this up. This is perfect. It's good to go. There we go. We don't even need to use wick to clean it. So bring in our port. Okay, so there's two ways to do it. You can use micro soldering, or what you can do, a trick is sort of like heat up the board. Let me see how I can do it. Let me see, is this in its right position? Does this have any locks on the bottom? Yeah, it's got those little plastics there, see on the ends? This guy has to sit. There we go. Sit. Okay. I'm just doing the ends if you like. So this will actually just sit in there because it's got those two plastics on the other end. So if I do the same thing here, it's going to come in with the heat. I'll show you what I mean. So what I'm going to do, as I'm coming with the heat, I'm going to press down. Okay, so it may not be easy because you're going to bend the board a little bit. That's where good old hard drives come in handy. There we go. Like this. See? And now gently just press down. So we don't even need to do it on the microscope. Same process again. You'll actually feel the crunch of it going down when you press down gently. There we go. Because I'm going to apply force, I'm right-handed. Just going to go gently like this. There we go. Done. One important thing to know, large nozzles heat up a lot of areas, and what that means is the process of getting cooled down, it will take longer than smaller nozzle. And let's have a look. Look at that, they're all in. How amazing. It works nice and easy. When you do it on jobs you don't care. Bloody hell, when you do it on jobs that you care, you make all kinds of mistakes. Look at that. Done. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.